Significance of noun in spoken English. Noun plays vital role within sentences, shaping their structure and meaning. Noun are the fundamental building blocks that allows us to convey ideas, objects, emotions, and experiences. They serve as the anchors that give meaning and context to our words. Like abstract noun inject emotions, proper noun add authenticity and specificity to your content. Repeating a significant noun can create emphasis and resonance, balancing longevity with pronoun. Nouns are essential for language clarity, precision, understanding, personalization, memory improvement, and vocabulary growth. Communication would be difficult and constraints without noun. Nouns often come after words such as a, an, or some. Mostly nouns follow such words. Let's see some examples. I am going to the playground. An elephant is having a bath. A chair over there. It is suggested that whatever exists in this world can be named, and the purpose of a noun is to give that name.